Hey guys, I'm back again with another video, but this is more of, a little bit of off topic, but well, it's kind of affecting crypto industry nowadays. So I know you guys are you guys, you know how it feels these days because of the COVID-19, or what we call the nCoV. Okay, so this coronavirus, guys, it all started in Wuhan at last December, and it quickly spread to lots of countries. Okay, so right now the World Health Organization has declared the COVID-19 as pandemic. Okay, so what does it mean, guys? Of course, that it quickly spreads to countries, and there's no vaccine yet for the COVID-19, but it's under development. So you can see that I'm wearing a mask, but guys, don't worry, I'm not in isolation or getting quarantined. No, I'm in a coffee shop, and of course my city here, it's not yet infected or in lockdown or in quarantine yet, but I should remain vigilant. Okay, and of course you can see right here on the screen the effect of the coronavirus is that Bitcoin has gone down. Wow, it's gone down rapidly, and the volatility is very high, so the bears are pulling it down. But I don't agree that coronavirus is the only reason why Bitcoin is going down, because last time they are, remember the plus token scam, right? The plus token, those scammers right there who are holding their Bitcoin, they sell it, so it contributes to the downturn of Bitcoin's price. As what you can see here, this is the chart for the past 7 days. So you can see right here, it all started with 150 billion market cap. So it started around 9,101 last March 6th, and of course right here you can see that it all goes down to, it's very low right here. Oops, sorry. So it's kind of low right here. So it's around 4,100, something like that. I'm using iPad, guys, so yeah, it's 4,121. Recorded last March 13, 2020, before it rebounded back to 5,200, and right now we are standing at 5,760 US dollars. Okay, so this is the price right now, and we just don't know where it would lead to. But for me, I think it's the best opportunity to buy, because coronavirus won't last long, guys. So like what my dad told me at home, he really wants to buy stocks, because the stocks are plunging as well. Okay, so my dad said, oh, it's an opportunity to buy, because coronavirus won't last long, or it will not stay forever. Because there is no doubt, guys, that when coronavirus is over, of course the price would go up for sure, no matter if it's stocks or crypto. Of course, right now it's a good opportunity to buy. Okay, I could have bought some, but I found out that it goes all the way down, and I said, like, I want to wait to dip further, because before I will hit the buy button, I want to wait to dip even more. Some of them said that it will dip even to 4K to 3K. Okay, so most likely it will be 3K. I don't know what would be the bottom this time, and what would be the major resistance in this situation. Okay, so this right here in the chart, of course, you can see the market cap stands at 105 billion US dollars, with a 24-hour volume of 73.6 billion US dollars. Okay, and of course other coins or tokens are affected as well. So you can see right here, going back to the homepage of CoinMarketCap. Okay, so this is the updated price right now. So it stands at 5,697. Ethereum at 133. I think last night it was like 118, I think. Okay, and XRP Ripple, it's now at 16 cents. Last time it was around 14 and so on. So we are on a bloody market right now. But the thing, it's a great opportunity for us to buy right now, because it won't last long. The virus won't last long. So this is the impact of coronavirus in the crypto market right now. So about the updates of the coronavirus, guys, you can see here Metro Manila is going to be on lockdown or community quarantine, okay, starting on March 15. Okay, so it's March 15. The good thing is that I'm not from Manila. Although that I worked in Manila last year, but I haven't traveled to Manila this year. Okay, I stayed put here in my hometown. Okay, so I won't be affected for the lockdown, unless of course the city mayor here would voluntarily make this city, you know, into community quarantine, just like in Coron, in Cainta, Rizal, and also I think there are some few, Puerto Princesa, and recently Bohol. They will be having a community quarantine for like say a week. Okay, that's what I read minutes ago. Okay, so if you guys are from Metro Manila, of course you have to stay put. Okay, you might not want to spread the virus in other provinces, because I've seen some of the some people panic. They panic, flock to the bus terminals in Quezon City. I've seen that in the news. So they are at risk, guys. They're at the risk of spreading the virus to other provinces, making they're at the risk of infecting their families and their friends, and making the cases go higher. And speaking of that, outside of Metro Manila, there are already cases in Cainta, Rizal, and recently in Batangas, Bataan, and Pampanga. And also there's positive case in Dumaguete, in Negros Oriental, and one in Lanao del Norte. So right now the update, of course, it's around 64 cases. We are now at 64 cases. Just several minutes ago, that is their latest breakdown, from 52 to 64 cases of those who are positive in coronavirus. Okay, so we have to stay vigilant. You can see right here in the news of CNN, all Cebu Pacific domestic flights to and from Manila have been cancelled, so for 1 month. Okay, so for those of my friends out there in Manila, just pray, guys. Just pray that you can overcome this. I know the darkest, these darkest days we are having. We know how you feel. Okay, because I felt the same way when we're going to be like quarantined. I just don't know the decision of the city. Okay, but for now, there's no announcement yet regarding the quarantine here in my city. Okay, so the Manila lockdown, of course, all domestic flights to and from Manila are suspended for 1 month. Okay, and also, guys, for the COVID-19, case tally, so 2 hours ago, there are 134,700 cases with almost 5,000 deaths. Okay, and you can see right here Italy has 15,113 cases and 1,016 deaths, and the other European countries as well. Okay, so I just don't know when this will end, you know, the coronavirus crisis that affects stocks in crypto. So let's just look on the positive side, okay? Especially in crypto, you just look, if you're holding a lot of crypto but your value goes down, just have faith, just hold it, okay? Because coronavirus won't last long, and it will not be, it doesn't last forever, okay? But if you're an opportunist like me, who have not yet buy some crypto as of now, okay, we just have to wait. We just have to wait, like, for the price to go even lower before hitting the buy button. Of course, this is an opportunity for us to buy, okay? Alright, so I won't be long, guys, okay, because this coffee shop, of course, is about to close now. So anyways, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope this video helps you a lot, especially when it comes to the effect of coronavirus in the crypto market. And if you think that this video helps you a lot, kindly don't hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your crypto friends out there. And guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can stay updated for the latest about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, and also turn on the notification bell. And also you can follow my official social media channels that are displayed here on the screen or in my YouTube description. So guys, keep safe, okay? Keep safe, guys, you know, because we can overcome this. We can end the coronavirus if we unite, okay? So anyway, so this is all for now. Thank you so much once again. This is Jeff, aka Nomad Fury, and see ya on my next video.
This is the future. Evolution. This is the future.